The JUIKURY folding sofa bed JF-101 is elegantly designed with a corduroy fabric that offers a luxurious and comfortable experience, making it a cozy addition to any living space. This versatile piece of furniture can be transformed into 4 different forms, providing flexibility for various activities such as reading, yoga, or simply lounging. Incorporating high-density foam, both the chair bed and pillow are crafted to maintain support and comfort over time, minimizing fatigue by conforming to the body's natural curves. A convenient feature of the JUIKURY sofa bed is its machine washable cover, which can be easily removed and cleaned, ensuring long-lasting use and effortless maintenance. The sofa bed requires no assembly, and its compact design allows for easy storage in tight spaces like studios, dorm rooms, or RVs, offering an ideal solution for limited living areas. Designed with practicality in mind, the sofa bed comes with a smooth zipper and well-crafted materials, promising durability and ease of use for years to come.